Yes, you guys, I'm doing a series, 3 videos, and then I will film another day because I'm definitely not going to change my outfit to film another video. Plus, my phone is running out of space, I think. Yes, I'm using my phone. Get over it. Now, so I want to talk about doing keto for 11 straight years with no refeeds and what has happened to me. Now, you guys can go back videos from the last 10 years of me being strict keto and see that I look younger and stronger. The gains, all the gains, the lean body mass is still there, and the health is phenomenal. Now, I'll never go back. I'll never go back to carbs, never. And I keep seeing the be careful of doing keto for too long because you can't, and then they can't express why. But I really believe it's driven by the fact that people are developing, or autoimmunity is coming out gangbusters with doing keto. They don't really say, I studied this person, they did it for 6 years, and here's what happened to them that went wrong. Like, they don't say that. It's all anecdotal. It's all guessing. Like, okay, well, if you do keto for a long time, you're going to have problems. Okay, well, what's the problem? What's the problem? So I hear people say you can't do a low-carb diet because you need a certain amount of glucose to sleep well, for tryptophan uptake, or you need glucose for your red blood cells, which gluconeogenesis covers that, or you need glucose for the thyroid. As you guys know, that gluconeogenesis can either be an amazing thing or it can kick your butt. And I think I'm going to do sort of a video series. So right now this is just an introduction to it, that people often, the problem is the thyroid with doing keto the wrong way. So you go on and you see all of this horrible, dirty keto food porn nonsense. And then, like, Dr. Oz was doing a show and saying, oh, here's all these nasty products, but it's even the cheese, the nuts, the caffeine, the intermittent fasting. It's all creating issues with people's health. And you have to deconstruct why. Obviously, cheese has casein. That is irritating people's gut lining, especially if you have issues, which we all have issues. Sorry, guys, you're not immune to the issues. The permeability, the holes in the gut wall, the microvilli being broken down, the not being breastfed, then being a cesarean section baby, on soy formula, inoculations, amalgam fillings, and the chemicals, and the preservatives, and the lowering of the stomach acid. And then you guys try to do keto, and you guys are having issues with the gut. And a lot of people's stool is floating. And that is the reason, one of the reasons why people aren't adapting. The fat that you eat is ending up in the toilet. And then you feel horrible. And then you're like, is it leaky gut or is it gallbladder problem? So these are the things that all of the sensational keto videos, they don't really, they touch it very lightly. But y'all know I keep it 100. I keep it 100. I tell you the real thing. I'm like, keto may not be for you, not because you don't have you have some type of genetic mutation where you can't break down fat. No, keto might not be for you because you won't do it the right way, because you want keto in packages and to run out the door. You're going to have to prepare your own food, because I haven't refed in 11 years at all. Not a drop. No sugar, no rice, no pasta, no sweet fruits, nothing. And this is the result of it at 51. You guys can go back in my video series because I'm always wearing little workout tops. My salmon, I think I need to check it. I'm going to end this video. I'm going to make a series. You can join my keto course page. It's super cheap. It's a membership subscription based. And that's at stephanieperson.com. I also do consultations. And you can catch me on my Instagram, which is Stephanie Ketogenic. And I'm going to teach you guys more about enzymes missing to break down plants, the carnivore diet, benefits of adapting. What does adapting look like? What happens to your skin? Why people get crepey skin on keto that do it the wrong way. Crepey skin is when your skin just looks like dark circles under the eyes, testosterone drops, hypoglycemia, nausea. A lot of weird stuff goes on when people do keto the wrong way. So is it dangerous for the long term? Heck no! I've just changed my gene expression and I'm just getting younger. Younger on keto. Yeah, younger. See, my face moves. This is real, people. Also, what else did I want to say to end this? No, have a wonderful life. Keto for life, y'all. I'm going to do a series touching in on the concerns, what to do. Just stay tuned, and I'm out. Peace, guys. Yeah!